All right, so how do you get to the recent apps view on your Android phone? There's two ways to get there, depending on whether you use gesture navigation or the three-button navigation. And I got two phones here, and I'm going to show you both. If you're using gesture navigation, you swipe up from the bottom of your display and stop about halfway up. So I'll swipe up here, stop, and now I can see all my recent apps. To jump into a specific one, just tap it, and now I'm in that app. Swipe up, stop again, and I can jump to a different app. Easy swipe and switch. If you're using button navigation instead, you'll use this button here. These buttons can be in a different order depending on how you've set them up, sometimes on the left, sometimes on the right, but just tap that button and there's your recent apps. Tap an app to open it, and when you're ready to switch, tap that button again to go back to the recent apps view. There's also a quick shortcut to switch between apps. On button navigation, double tapping that button quickly jumps between your two most recent apps. So double tap to hop back in the previous app, and then double tap again, and you'll bounce to the other app. Nice shortcut if you need to jump between two apps a lot. On gesture navigation, you can actually swipe sideways along the bottom bar. When I do that, it jumps between my open apps that way too, and not just the two most recent, I can swipe between all my apps that are currently open. If you're familiar with iPhones, they do this same thing too. And of course, that recent apps view literally shows your apps in the order you last used them. So if I'm on Instagram, for example, and then pull up recent apps, Instagram's going to be the first one shown, since it's sorted chronologically based on what you used last. One more cool thing you can do from that recent apps view. If you tap the little app icon at the top of any preview, and you'll get some extra options, like opening that app in split screen view. This lets me dedicate half my display to one app, then choose a second app to run side by side, so I can use two apps at the same time. Same thing on this Google Pixel. I'll tap the app icon, choose split screen, pick my second app, and now I've got both running side by side. You can scroll those two apps like you always would. You can resize that split by dragging the little handle in the middle, or double tap that handle to instantly swap the order of the two apps. And that is how you get to recent apps on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick, easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.